What if I told you that what you're looking at right now, I mean me, the bracelet on my wrist, the adorable little puppy sitting next to me, and even this gorgeous background, none of it is actually real? No way, right? It is all completely AI generated.
So welcome to this explainer. Today we're breaking down a truly fascinating source that's basically a complete masterclass on leveraging Google's new model, Omni, and we access this through Google Flow. We're going to see exactly how marketers and business owners are using this incredible tool to generate unlimited, highly realistic AI commercials, scaling their content like never before.
Okay, let's quickly look at our agenda for today. We're covering the AI video revolution, why you choose Google Omni, how to build your AI avatar, creating perfect product ads, and finally, end-to-end AI editing. Let's dive in. All right, starting with Section 1, the AI video revolution and how it's totally transforming video creation.
High-quality video used to mean hiring a whole production crew, booking studios, and spending thousands and thousands of dollars. But Google Flow operates on this really simple, credit-based system that just completely flips the script. Get this, for about 2,500 credits, which is roughly 10 Indian rupees or literally just over a single US dollar, you can generate 25 highly realistic 40-second AI commercials. That means you're getting targeted ads for practically pennies. It's wild.
Moving on to Section 2, why choose Google Omni? Let's take a look at its technical superiority.
So there are obviously a ton of AI video generators out there right now, but with older, formerly top-tier models like Cdance, you needed 3 or 4 highly complex, layered prompts just to get the AI to understand basic camera angles. It was a headache. Google Omni, though, totally changes the game with a single context-aware prompt. You literally just describe the scene once, and Omni automatically detects all the right angles and lighting.
Now, Omni's superiority really rests on 3 main pillars. First up is character consistency, meaning you keep your exact avatar identical across different outfits and locations. Second is the incredible near-reality video quality. And third, you get this really high contextual understanding, so you don't have to painstakingly stitch together still frames anymore. You just give it a natural prompt and let Omni handle the whole cinematic execution.
Okay, Section 3, building your AI avatar. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide.
The actual workflow here is incredibly simple. For Step 1, you just pop into Google Gemini settings and scan your face to create a base avatar. For Step 2, you can use Claude or ChatGPT to write a highly detailed scenario prompt. Just as an example, the source tested this crazy prompt featuring the avatar skydiving while speaking Hindi. And then for Step 3, you literally just paste that prompt and your Gemini avatar straight into Google Flow. That's the whole shebang. But hey, I want to be completely transparent with you here, just like the source is. There is a specific limitation you definitely need to be aware of. Right out of the gate, Google Omni's audio capture is only about 70% accurate, and it currently lacks native perfect voice cloning. It honestly struggles a bit to flawlessly match your specific tone of voice, and sometimes it misses the lip syncing entirely on that first generation.
But please don't let that stop you, because there's a highly practical workaround. Google Flow actually caps its raw video generations at 10-second intervals anyway. So the absolute best method is to just generate multiple 10-second clips to maintain that perfect visual character consistency. Then you simply upload your own external, perfectly recorded audio files. Finally, you just layer your voiceovers and manually stitch those short clips together in your final editing software. It basically gives you maximum control and perfect audio.
All right, Section 4. Creating perfect product ads and maintaining product consistency.
If you're a business owner or marketer, you'll love this. Here is the exact workflow to make product magic happen. Step 1. You upload a clear, real photo of your actual physical product directly into Google Flow's media library. Step 2. Feed that exact same image to ChatGPT and ask it to write a highly detailed prompt that specifically explains the product's physical features and benefits. And Step 3, you generate your 10-second scenes, asking the AI to combine your personal avatar interacting directly with that product. To really prove how well this works, the source uses a truly fascinating case study, this little panda-shaped nightlight. The creator explained to the AI that this specific lamp has 3 distinct brightness modes that you activate by tapping it. And amazingly, Omni flawlessly replicated those physical features. Like, the video literally showed the lamp getting brighter with every single tap. Finding this level of strict consistency is exceptionally rare, which makes Omni a total game-changer for producing highly realistic commercial spots.
And that brings us to Section 5, end-to-end AI editing, moving beyond just the raw generation.
So even the really complex editing phase can be automated end-to-end.
On one side, you have your raw video, just the basic footage of your avatar speaking, but on the other side, the AI handles the entire post-production process. It automatically adds relevant B-roll, dynamic transitions, slick text overlays, and even background music. It takes a raw video and turns it into a highly produced advertisement without you ever having to touch a traditional editing timeline. How cool is that? But we have to remember, mastering a single tool like Google Omni is really just one piece of a much larger puzzle. To truly succeed right now, you absolutely must commit to continuous learning across the whole AI ecosystem. The Source's broader masterclass actually covers everything from building AI calling agents to automating website creation using models like Claude. This technology is moving so fast, and staying updated is absolutely your biggest edge.
Which brings us to our final and perhaps most important takeaway for today. The Source leaves us with this incredibly powerful, provocative thought. AI is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're running a massive business, creating content from your bedroom, or just trying to upskill your career, the tools are here, they are incredibly capable, and they're practically free. So the real question is, are you going to start experimenting with models like Google Omni today, or are you going to let the future leave you behind? It's definitely something to chew on. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.